Assalamu alaikum all students. I'm Razia from BHSS Kufara. My trade is ITs. In previous lectures, we have gone through qualities of entrepreneur, introduction of entrepreneur, and importance of entrepreneur, and we have gone through some of the activities of entrepreneur. And now we'll go through what are the myths of entrepreneurship. There are many myths about characteristics and traits of entrepreneurs. First one is entrepreneurs are born that way. Many people they assume that entrepreneurial qualities are such that only people who have certain natural talents can be entrepreneurs, but it's not true, because anyone can become an entrepreneur if they learn the necessary skills, because everyone is not always talented, because anyone who has to become entrepreneur, he or she has to learn some skills. Okay. Second one is the only requirement is a good idea. Even the very best idea, one with the potential to disrupt an entire industry, need proper execution to become reality. Because if anyone he has a good idea to make an entrepreneur, it's not only we cannot say it's about idea that if he has the requirement, then he and she can only do. If he has the requirement, yes, it's a myth that if he has all the resources, then he can go for business. No, it's not true. If he has a little resource, then also he can go for a small industry as well. He can start from a small industry. Third word is businesses either flourish or fail. We know, if we do a work, we know either we will get success or we will fail. So many ventures make their businesses big, and many fail. A lot of businesses are run with patience and strategy, with a focus on self-sustenance and gradual growth. Because we know, if a person he's a budding entrepreneur, that means he's new in this field. And then he or she, if he is new in this business and he doesn't know how to start a business and how to do it, so he will go through such points that he'll get fail in his work. So we cannot say that he gets fail in all the works in his life. No, we cannot say that. We can say either we have to get success or we have to fail. Okay. Then we have fourth point, that is entrepreneurs take lots of risks. Because entrepreneurs, they take risks. We know that entrepreneurs take risks, but it's a myth that they take lot of risks. No, it's not true. They doesn't take necessarily lot of risks and put themselves in high risk situation all the time. It's not true they take all the time. Sometimes there are some situations where they have to take some risk in order to get some benefit. Okay. Then we have another one, that is one must know everything before starting a business. No, it's a myth. If any person he is starting a business, it is not mandatory that he or she must know each and everything before starting a business. It's a myth. Because succeeding at entrepreneurship requires energy, innovation, and ability to push yourself outside your comfort zone. So it's often not what you know, but how fast you learn, that counts. Okay, it's not what you have learned, it's only how fast you learn it, and okay, so that you'll get success in your work. And then we have a lot of money is required to start any business. It's a myth. It's not mandatory to have a lot of money in order to start. Yes, we need a lot of money to start a very big to start a very big point, or to start a very big industry. So because a certain amount of capital is required for to take a business off the ground, certain amount of money. It varies, depends on the business. It may be, if we will go for a small business, we need a little amount of money. If we'll go for a big business, so we need a lot amount of money. The key is to start with resources which are available, and grow slowly and steadily. It is the only way, it is the normal way. So one should not defer if he or she has financial crisis. If we have financial crisis, we must not defer that we cannot do this job. It's because we can start any point, but we must start. Everybody, it's an advice that everybody, if he has finance, if he or she is financially sound, or if he and she has a financial crisis, he or she must start with a small business. When he'll get some success in small business, then he or she can slowly and steadily increase his business, and can go for big businesses as well. Okay, this is all about today's topic. Okay, we'll go for next topic tomorrow. Okay.